Hi all, Ash here. For this specific Japan vlog, we are heading to Sanrio Puroland. As you can tell from the footage, they have this train station decked out with it to set you in the mood right from the start. After a gorgeous little walk, it was time to head to the main place itself, Sanrio Puroland. As you can see, it is very aesthetic and decked out from head to toe with everything that you can imagine. It's like you're entering a magic fairyland. And this place definitely evolves as time goes on, which you'll see later in the footage. But from the start, you're already welcome to an amazing view with the giant tree in the middle and a whole bunch of little attractions depending on what character you're into at the time. One of the attractions was themed to all the characters too, so of course we had to start with that one. Ride was awesome and well worth the fast passes because the line was ridiculous to get into that one, so definitely hit that one up. Anyways, after this, you know us, it was time to get some food, and of course we went for Hello Kitty themed food at that. So here's what we ended up getting: some curry that was themed to Melody, and I got the Hello Kitty burger, which came with a really cool lunchbox. Finished up eating, and then here is where you got to see some of evolution of the actual play space. So the tree in the middle apparently has lights everywhere, and it lights up like crazy, just like this. That little light show went on for a good while too, so after it was done, we ended up exploring some of the random little sets they had, like these ones right here. And some of them are pretty weird, I'm not gonna lie. I'll let you see for yourself. We came across an arcade that had a whole bunch of unique Sanrio plushies and different things as well. For example, this little machine actually let you make stickers. After killing a little bit of time, it was finally time for our next ride, which was actually the My Melody ride, so I'll let you see that one too. After that super cute, albeit super fast ride, it was actually time to leave Sanrio Puroland because we had a lot more in store for the day. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ash out.
Bye.